manage with the automatic invoices, we just need to enable the feature from the configuration settings, and this feature is available under the invoicing. So automatic invoice generate the invoice automatically when the online payment is confirmed. We also just need to enable the online signature as well as the online payment. So this requests the customer to sign and make payment once the quotation is validated or the orders are done. So here you can save the changes that you have made in the configuration settings. Later on, you can just move on to the quotations. Now let me create a quotation from the scratch. We have to choose a customer. As a customer is a portal user, we know we can just find that the customers can just make the payment from their portal. I'm going to choose the customer as Joy Wills, who is a portal user. So let me just try to add a product, which is acoustic block screen. So here you can just choose the variants. So afterwards, you can save this. Now we can just send this quotations to the portal of customer. So we can just send by mail so that the customer will be receiving a mail over there. And here you can see that we are just going to send this details of this quotation. So once it's done, we can just see the reference number of this order, and let's choose that. Later on, you can just log out from this session and let's open as a portal user. So as you just move on to the portal user, here you can find the different quotations that you review, and you would be able to find the reference number and all. And here you can see that you can choose the reference number that you just need to make the payment. And here you can see we have a button called sign and pay, as well as if you want to reject this, you can also reject this order. So upon the payment of the invoice, you can see that the order will be confirmed. So let's choose accept and sign over here. So that being signing, you confirm the acceptance on behalf of your company, Joy Wills, for the order. And you can just make the payment by choosing the pay button. Now let's move on to the let's log out from Joy Wills, who is the portal user, and let's log in as the administrator or as a salesperson. So as you just log in here, you would be able to find that we have just made the sales order by making the payment from the portal of the customer. So that's how the automatic invoice works in Odoo 18. And if you want to just deal with the delivery, you can just move on to the delivery tab and you can check the availability and make the delivery of the item. And here you can see the invoice is created from the portal view as the customer has paid the payment, and you can see that it's in paid state. And that's all for today.